Welcome. Today, you'll learn how to allow message requests on the Instagram app using your PC, thanks to the latest update. If you want to make sure you never miss a message from new friends, collaborators, or anyone reaching out, this guide is for you. Start by opening the Instagram app on your PC. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your credentials and access your account. Once you're in, look at the left side of your screen. Here you'll find the More icon. It usually appears as 3 horizontal lines stacked together. Click on this icon to expand a menu with more options. Next, from the menu that appears, select Settings. This will open a new page where you can manage different aspects of your Instagram account. On this page, look for the section labeled Message and Story Replies. Click to enter this section, as it's where you control how you interact with messages and stories on Instagram. Inside Message and Story Replies, you'll see an option called Message Controls. Click on Message Controls to access the settings that determine who can send you message requests. Now, under the section labeled Who can send you message requests, you'll see several options. To allow everyone to send you message requests, simply choose Everyone. This setting ensures that anyone, even those you don't follow, can send you a message request. It's a great way to stay open to new connections, opportunities, and conversations. Once you've chosen Everyone, your settings are saved automatically. From now on, you'll receive message requests from anyone who wants to reach out, and you can decide which conversations to accept or ignore. That's it. With these simple steps, you've enabled message requests on Instagram using your PC. Now you can enjoy seamless communication and never worry about missing an important message. Happy connecting and exploring all that Instagram has to offer.